So good morning. So today I'm going to show you how to sow sunflowers. Sunflowers can be sown around March to May time. They can be directly sown into the soil or started by pots. The advantages by pots is that the mouse or any rodents won't eat the seeds if they're in the ground, because they will certainly find them if they're buried. So we tend to start ours on the pots. But if you're directly sowing into the soil, all we do is just literally make a hole. We got our seeds and cover. And then we got a label and we mark it. So today we're going to show you how to grow sunflowers. And these are really easy. And this one is Russian giant. So literally all we're going to do is just fill up a small pot with compost, make a little hole, we take our seeds, this is the seeds, and we just put one in each pot, and then we just cover them over. And that is it. We'll just do a few of these. There we go. Really easy to do, and it's good fun to have a challenge with your children. My daughter has started a sunflower challenge, and we're also taking part in Nick's allotment diary sunflower challenge, and we've got quite a few sunflowers on the go. So that's it. Now these will go into a tray and they will get watered from below, and that's how we do our sunflowers. So these will now be set on the water tray. My tray's got a green water moisture mat, so they're just going to get a water, and they will sit there. So after a couple of weeks, the sunflower pairs, and then I pot them up into the bigger pots, and then they're going into a bigger pot still, and then they move into the bigger pot, and then another pot. And as you can see, these, the roots already come out, so they'll already be, this one I've just done, so they're ready to move into a larger pot still. So I'm doing a lot better this year with my sunflowers than I did last year. And let me show you some that I've got growing outside. So all these above can all be grown on. So I'm filling the basket with half. Trying to do this without making a mess. And here we go. Transplanted from one pot to the next pot. So we'll just fill this one up. That's that one done. Now this one can go into the bigger pot. There's the roots. So it may only be a small move, but they don't like having their roots disturbed. And it'll only be a short time before this one goes into a bigger pot. So in this pot we can use for the smaller one. This one can go into here. And then this one can go into the bigger pot. So it's all a gradual move. The wind's getting up out here now. It's going to be a stormy day today. We're just getting a few jobs done in the tunnel. So then finally pot up the small one. Into the big one. So here we have it, all grown, moved up a pot, give it a bit more space to grow. So when your sunflower has finished flowering, you can harvest the seeds. So chop off the heads and keep them to dry. Then just brush the seeds out. You can keep them for next year, or they can be eaten. So have you grown any sunflowers this year? Let me know. What type of sunflowers have you grown? I've grown Russian giants, and I've also got raised sunflowers, which we picked up from the sunflower pick your own farm. I'll add a link onto the top in the description below. Check out the pick your own farm, it was amazing. Now some of the seed heads was massive, so I've got a good chance of growing some nice strong sunflowers. That's a bonus, and I will save the seeds for next year to grow on too. So thank you very much for watching. please subscribe. If not subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Cheers.